Hello, students. Welcome to the online session of the subject of industrial safety. So, this is the subject which used to come in the for the students of structural engineering and mechanical engineering. This is basically a post-graduation course, and the topics that will be discussed in this online session of the subject of industrial safety will be in the synchronization with the G2 syllabus. The G2 topics all will be discussed in this online session. So we have already started module number one. We have completed it. Module number two is also completed in the last session. Now we are in the third module. So we are now in the third module of the industrial safety subject. So we will be proceeding towards our topic. So let's start our third module and proceed. So the physical contents that we are going to discuss is the VR introduction. Means what is VR, what is definition, what is the VR, how it works, how it appears. That will be discussed in this session. Types of VRs, what are the types, causes, the reason that cause the VRs, effect, what is the effect of the VR on the machine, how it will start behave, what is its impact on the life. That all things will be discussed in this session. VR. Wear is a process of interaction between the surface which causes the deformation and the removal of the material on the surface due to the effect of mechanical action between the sliding faces. Means we can say that when the two surface slides on one another, it causes interaction between the two surfaces. That cause deformation, the material on the surface will get removed, and as a result of this, the wearing takes place. Wear also refers as to the dimension loss of the plastic deformation. It will have some plastic deformation, means this deformation will not regain its original shape, and it has loss of shape also. That is also included in the wear. Plastic deformation leads to the wear as it causes the deterioration of the metal surfaces, which is known as the metallic. So when the deformation takes place on the metallic surface and the deterioration takes place, then such kind of deterioration will be termed as the metallic wear, because the surface that has got a wear is the metal. Metallic wear will be termed wear. Wear will result in many things as discussed. So wear will result in the erosion. Means we can say that wear is result of erosion. Wear is the result of corrosion. Because of the corrosion, wear used to take place. Because of the erosion, when some either wind moves, some erosion will take place. That will cause abrasion. As a result, some material of the some particle of the material will get removed, and as a result, a wearing surface will be seen. Abrasion is also result in the wear. Abrasion means something when something slide over another, it also causes the wear. Chemical process, some chemical reaction which used to take place will also cause the wear. And combination of all these factors will also cause the wear. Types of wear. So basically, the types are abrasive wear, adhesive wear, catastrophic wear, corrosive wear, cracking, cutting wear, and deformation. So these are all the types of the wear. First is the abrasive wear. Wear that is due to the hard particles or hard protuberance forced against and moving along the solid surface. So by moving over the solid surface, the wear that takes place is termed as the abrasive wear. These hard particles might be a commercial abrasives like silicon carbide and aluminum oxide, or naturally occurring contaminants like dust particles and sands. Such kind of materials, quartz are also included in this. So such kind of element will cause the abrasive wear. If the abrasive particles are allowed to roll, the rolling of the abrasion or the three body abrasion will happen. So rolling will also cause abrasion. That is the three body abrasion or the rolling abrasion. So this is an abrasion. Adhesive wear. Adhesion, we all know from the name, the person, adhesive is the material that is used to join the two materials. Now, what is adhesive wear? We will be discussing now. Wear due to the localized bonding between the two contacting solid surfaces, leading to a material transfer between the two surfaces or loss from either surface. So, when the two material which is in contact with another solid surface, leading to a material transfer between the two surfaces or a loss of either from one surface to another is the adhesive. Means when the two surfaces glide over one another, we can say that some part of the material from one surface will transfer into the another surface. Such kind of wear is termed as the adhesive wear. Adhesive wear is not a prevalent or abrasive wear, and it is induced when the like material slides against each other with no lubrication. Lubrication will not be there, obviously. As a result of this, the transfer of the material, either a color, a metal, a material, or any component, will takes place from the one matter to the another matter. This type of the wear involves the formation of the local cold welds between the surfaces contacting under the load and tangential shearing or ploughing of the junctions. Material can be transferred from one surface to another surface during this process, as we have discussed here also. Next, catastrophic wear. Rapidly occurring or accelerating surfaces damage, deterioration, or change of shape caused by the wear to such degree that the service life of the part is appreciably shortened or its function is destroyed. So such kind of wear is termed as the catastrophic wear. Means accelerating surface duration or change in the shape is caused suddenly, and the wear to such degree that the service life is appreciably shortened. Means if design life or a service life is shortened, this kind of wear is termed as the catastrophic wear. Corrosive wear or crocking means no, both are different things. Corrosive wear. So first we will discuss the corrosive wear. Wear in which the chemical or electrochemical reaction with the environment is significant, that will be termed as the corrosive wear. Corrosion, we all know that it is just oxidation. Chemical reactions are involved into it, and because of this chemical reaction, the corrosion that is occurring is termed as the corrosive wear. Next is the crocking is the transfer of a color from the surface of the colored fabric to the adjacent area of the same fabric or to the surface, principally by rubbing the action. So by rubbing action, the whatever the uh, abrasion wear takes place is termed as the crocking. Here the transfer of the color will also takes place between the two adjacent areas. Okay. So this is the crocking and the corrosive wear. Cutting wear. In the solid impingement erosion, the erosive wear associated with the dissipation of the kinetic energy of the impact, arising from the tangential component of the velocity of the impacting particles. So because of such kind of the impingement erosion, the wear that is taking place because of the kinetic energy of the impact of that material arising from the tangential component of the velocity of the impacting particles will cause the cutting of the wear, and such kind of wear is termed as the cutting wear. Root cause of the cutting wear. So there are many causes for the wear. That is, first is abrasion. Abrasion is the process by which a particle trapped between the two sliding surface cut, score, or gouge material from the softer machine surface. A good example of such kind of thing is the how sandpaper cuts the steel. So this is an aberration. Corrosion. Corrosive wear is the result of the chemical reaction that is accelerated by the temperature. This typically caused by the moisture or the another corrosive liquid or a gas. Rusting, oxidation are the well-known examples of the corrosive wear. So we have now gone through the abrasion and corrosion. Abrasion, you all know that it is the sliding of the surface, and the surface which is more softer will get removed. We can say that it will get delaminated. The corrosion means it is just a chemical process where the temperature is very much important component into it, and is caused by the moisture and other corrosive liquids and harmful gases. And rusting and oxidation are those examples. Next is fatigue. Fatigue here is the consequence of the surface cracking, which is caused by the cumulative rolling contact loading of the rollers and the pitch lines of the gear teeth. Fatigue causes the chunks of the platelets to break off, causing the further damage as more contact occurs. Adhesion takes place when the load between the moving surface is transferred by the metal to metal, causing the friction. Lubrication is used to prevent such kind of adhesion wear, but if the lubrication is inadequate, the friction rise and very highly. So yes, these are the causes that fatigue. We have all know that it is the consequence of the surface cracking, causing the cumulative impact of the rolling contact uh, rollers and the pitch lines of the gear. Adhesion is mainly because of the contact of the surface. And when the contact takes place from metal to metal contact, friction will be caused. So, in order to prevent such kind of adhesion, wear lubrication is required to be provided, and if it is inadequate, then friction will get rise and wear will take place. Root causes for the wear. There are a number of the other mechanisms that in the particular applications can contribute to the component failure in the industrial machinery. This includes surface erosion, electrical discharge cavitation, and material deposition. There are there are large number of mechanisms that can cause the wear. Out of this, the important things, important factors that contribute to the wear causes the wear are surface erosion. Means we all know that when the particle is in suspension, then electrical discharge, cavitations, holes, voids, material deposition, such kind of thing causes the wear. Effect of the wear. So wear may be combined effect of the various physical and the chemical process. This is a combination of the physical and the chemical process proceeding to a friction between the two counteracting materials. As a result of this wear, friction will be increased between the two surfaces, and as a result of this, many things will be occur. As we were discussing next is the micro cutting, micro plowing, plastic deformation, cracking, fracture, welding, melting, chemical interaction. So because of this wear, micro cutting means the delamination to a smaller size, fine size particles from the object will get delaminated, and that is termed as the micro uh, cutting, micro plowing. That is also plowing means a small particles which will get plowed off of this material, and as a result of this, micro plowing will take place. Plastic deformation will also occur, means the deformation will be found on the surfaces which will be in such a way that it will never gain its original shape. It will be permanent deformation. That is also a cause of the wear only. Cracking, when the sliding of the surface will takes place, cracking will occur. When the sliding of the roller takes place, and if the impact is high, then fracture will also occur. So fracture is also caused because of the effect of the wear. Next is welding. Welding is also effect of the wear. Melting also takes place because of this wear. Then chemical interaction. Chemical interaction can also take place because the inner surfaces get exposed. The chemical between the outer surface and the surface exposed surface will be different. And as a result of this, both the material will get uh, chemically interacted. So yes, this is all the things that we have discussed in this session. Today, basically, we have started the module number 3, that we have discussed many of the things regarding to wear, causes of the wear, effect of the wear, how the wear is being caused. That we have discussed in today's session. In next session, we will be proceed. We will be moving forward for the next topics, and we will be discussed in next session. So that's all for today's session. Thanks for attending this session. I am Professor I'm Professor Akash R. Suthar. See you in the next session. Thank you so much.